Integrating Stripe Payments Gateway with Node.js is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To integrate Stripe Payments Gateway with Node.js, all you need to do is open up the site as shown here. I will provide the link in the description. So, the first step is to install the Stripe Node.js library. You can do this by running the following command in your terminal. This will install the Stripe library and add it to your package JSON file. To use the Stripe API, you need to provide your API keys. There are two types of API keys: publishable keys and secret keys. Publishable keys are used to identify your account when making requests to the Stripe API. Secret keys are used to access sensitive data and perform actions on behalf of your account, such as creating charges or refunds. To get your API keys, log in to your Stripe dashboard and click on the developers link in the left-hand menu. Then, click on API keys to view your API keys. You will need both your publishable keys and your secret key to use the Stripe API. Now, to create a new charge with Stripe, you need to send a POST request to a Stripe API with the amount to charge and the customer's payment information. In the above code, we first import the Stripe library and create an instance of the Stripe object with our secret key. We then use the stripe.charges.create method to create a new charge. The sound parameter is the amount to charge in cents, and the currency parameter is the currency code, in this case USD. The source parameter is the Stripe token obtained with stripe.is, and the description parameter is a description of the charge. To handle the response, the stripe.charge.create method returns a promise, which resolves to the created charge object. You can handle the response in any way that makes sense for your application. Then, you handle errors when using any payment gateway. Errors can occur due to various reasons such as invalid card details, insufficient funds, or connectivity issues. It's essential to handle these errors gracefully and inform the user of the reason for failure. Just like these, follow all the remaining steps to integrate Stripe Payments Gateway with Node.js.